How to fix Facebook nearby friends. In today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phones and go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and scroll down, click on storage option. Now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and go now to storage, or not storage, to battery, and click on optimize it, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.